I am graphic designer. Graphic design is the process of visual communication and problem solving through the use of typography, photography, and illustration. The field is considered a subset of visual communication and communication design, but sometimes the term graphic design is used synonymously. Example: graphic design is used to produce billboards, brochures, logos, magazines, newspapers, packaging, and websites. Graphic design tools include software like Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, and Photoshop, CorelDRAW, GIMP, Inkscape, and Serif Draw Plus.